Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening Google Translate and choosing the languages you need. This is step 1. Once done, grant microphone, storage, and network permissions so downloads work. Next, tap the language name, then download. Make sure to prefer Wi-Fi to save data. You should see a progress bar. Wait until it finishes. If space is low, move other files to an SD card or clear cache. This gets you ready to translate without an internet connection. Now you configure how offline mode behaves. Go into Settings, enable offline translation and auto switch so the app uses local packs when no network is present. Once enabled, download additional packs for dialects or related languages. Choose smaller packs for limited storage, larger packs for better accuracy. Then, while still online, test camera and conversation modes so caches build. This reduces latency when offline. Make sure you see Available Offline under each language before proceeding to real use. To finish, use Translate Offline by selecting languages and choosing typed, camera, or conversation modes. The app will automatically use downloaded packs. For reliability, update packs periodically over Wi-Fi and backup phrasebooks to your Google account. If something goes wrong, re-download the offending language pack and clear the app cache. This often resolves recognition errors. If the camera OCR lags, reduce image complexity or pre-crop images. With these steps, you'll maintain fast, accurate offline translations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.